So firstly what I did is I made a snake shape using my cake, and then I covered the whole thing in sugar paste. Then what I did is I used cake lace, the snake skin mat, to make this cake lace, and I covered the whole snake with this. And then used sugar paste around the sides just to hold it in place. And then what I did is I started airbrushing the pattern on top. It's whatever colours you want, but I used the latte to start with this around the base of it, and then I made this diagonal pattern on top. Then I used the pastel matte toffee fudge and just coloured in the in-between areas of the pattern that I just made. Then I got the chocolate brown, so I was going darker each time, and I outlined those diamond shapes that I'd made at the beginning. Then what happens when you peel the cake lace away is amazing. You're left with this snakeskin scale texture. Then you just spray the whole thing with Shall and Shine to give it that shiny snake-like look. And then I use digestive biscuits around the piece just to create this desert sand-like effect. Such a cool technique, guys. Doesn't take too long, and such a great result, and you can do whatever colours you want.